Now it is time to answer your questions. All right, you ready? Here we go. First up, a viewer in North Hills, New York asks, thought on Bristol-Myers, which was $63 last week, Joe?
Yeah, $63 last week, $77 in 2016. This was a favorite a couple of years ago. The money right now, it's in Pfizer, it's in Eli Lilly, it's in Merck, and it's in Merck because Merck is winning the fundamental story. I heard many make the comparison between Coke and Pepsi. That's not what's going on here. Merck has the lead in terms of lung cancer and the drugs they're bringing forth, and kidney cancer as well. There was some bad news as it relates to both for Bristol-Myers last week. That's why the stock is trading like it is.
All right, next up, Edward asks if the Activision Blizzard drop is an overreaction. Jim.
Short answer, yes, it is. Look, the whole sector's had a bad few months here. The last quarter's reports didn't help them with worries about Fortnite cannibalizing a lot of sales. Look, let's just keep this obvious. The demographics here support a lot of growth in the gaming space going forward. These stocks, including Activision, may have been ahead of themselves. That's all.
Finally, Shane tweets, anyone bullish on JetBlue? They report tomorrow before the bell. Stephen Weiss.
I'm not buying it before the earnings. I don't buy any stock just for the earnings. I like the airlines as a trade. I think the trade's about halfway done with some of them. So if you like it for the long term, buy it. If you don't, then stay in the stock.
All right, thank you. And a reminder, send your questions to us. Go to cnbc.com/halftime.